Hi, hi, hi! Hello everybody, this is Gina Choi. Gina Choi from CHOISisters, the Korean Girls Talk Show. Today we are going to film about one of Korean restaurants that is very famous for
삼계탕.
samgyetang.
삼계탕.
What is samgyetang, Nina?
삼계탕 is Korean soup with chicken in it.
Chickens and a soup?
Yes, it sounds very weird, but actually it is really tasty and healthy.
Right, so that's why we waited for 3 hours to visit Nakseonjae.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we're serious.
To eat?
Yes, to eat, but also to rent one of the private rooms for our family members.
Wow, so we can get a private room.
Right, and the private room looks like
This.
Da-da-da-da-da.
So are we gonna have like dinner at one of those housings?
Yes, we are going to have today's dinner, and today's dinner is samgyetang.
삼계탕.
But before we go on, here is a little information you need to know about Korean chicken soups. Here are 2 chicken soups in Korea. Do you see any differences? First of all, the name is different. One is samgyetang and the other is baeksu. Second of all, while samgyetang is boiled with various ingredients such as ginseng, jujube, and chestnuts, baeksu soup is more clear as it is boiled without much sauce. Thirdly, while Koreans use a small young chicken that weighs about 800 grams for samgyetang, comparatively old and large chicken that weighs about 2 kilograms is used for baeksu. But since samgyetang is much well known among the world, just to make it simple, we will just call the chicken soup today samgyetang. Alrighty?
So Gina, when do we eat samgyetang in Korea?
Actually, we eat samgyetang in summer a lot, and we
Okay.
call those days
봄날. 봄날.
So 복날. 복날 refers to special days in summer that are very, very hot, so we need to gain some energy. And there are 3 복날. And could you please explain what are those 3?
Okay, so the first one is 초복. 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 So 초 means in Korean beginning.
Beginning. So the 초복 is the first 복날,
And
and the second is
중복. 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 중 is middle.
middle in Korean, and that is 중복.
중복.
The last but not least, 발복. 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 And the 발 means
end.
and that's why 발복 is the last day of the 3 복날.
복날.
And today is
중복. Today is 중복. That's why we came here to this
eat.
famous place to eat 삼계탕.
Exactly. So since you now know what is 중복 and what are those 3 복nals in Korea, you will be able to eat samgyetang more deliciously if you ever have a chance to visit Korea.
Alright, so let's go.
Ready?
Go.
Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Wow.
That's a kitchen. Oh, their kitchen. I think it's going to.
It's such a big 항아리. 장독대.
장독대 항아리.
Our voice gets bigger.
Actually, those are the restaurants, and can you believe how the restaurant is so pretty? And also 소나무.
That is 소나무. 소나무. And 소나무 is one of Korea's traditional trees, right?
It's Korean 계곡. Korean 계곡. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys.
this is the private room that we explained. As you see, it is made of piwa and the wood, just like how Korean traditional rooms were built in the houses. And so if we reserve one of the private rooms at Naksanje, you will be able to eat samgyetang at this place.
Exactly. Look at the window, you guys. This is window and it is made of paper. See? It's made out of paper. If you poke this, it's gonna break. Right, you shouldn't poke it. I know.
Oh my goodness, and there is a stream right next to the restaurant so you can enjoy after eating. Nina, could you explain more about it?
So after you eat samgyetang, you know, I told you since samgyetang is a soup, it is really hot. And this place right here is really, really cool. The water is very cold, so people really like to put their legs in the water and feel the summer. And actually, a lot of Koreans enjoy their vacation here in the stream too. Let's go eat!
So before the main dish comes out, Choi sisters ordered some side dishes that are very famous at this restaurant. The first is grilled dodak root, the red one there, which is very spicy but tasty. And this is acorn jello. However, the dodak root is my favorite. Well, for the acorn jello, you can eat with the seasoned vegetables in the middle, and this is the green onion pancake, the Koreans' favorite. Last but not least, this is the potato pancake that Choi sisters and Choi mommy made in one of the videos. So there you see the makgeolli, which is being shaked really fast. So the rice powder under the bottle can be well mixed. And here is one of the main dishes at this restaurant, and it is called 닭볶음탕. This is spicier than samgyetang. And there's Mina who is taking a picture. And this was the room that we used, the private room, which we waited for 3 hours. Do you see how many people are here? This is our family. And can you feel the peaceful atmosphere at this restaurant? Can you believe that this is a restaurant? Oh my, I really wanted to share with you. So this was how we had our dinner. Don't you want to see what samgyetang looks like? Here we go.
Choi mommy!
그거부터 자르면
Choi
되겠네.
mommy is cutting all the samgyetang. 와 진짜 크다. 와 조명 감독.
이렇게 해서 좀 닭을 이렇게 해서
와.
해부를
Hope you enjoyed samgyetang through the video. Even though you can't eat samgyetang in Seoul these days, I really wanted to let you feel like you are tasting it by showing the samgyetang as close we can. The taste makes Choi sisters dance like this. Can you see that? This is so tasty that I hope you also taste the 닭볶음탕 as well, which is totally different from samgyetang. You can see the color, right? You must try both. Okay, so I really hope you were happy as Gina like that by watching our video, and hope you felt like you were eating with us in this room, watching this beautiful view.
So, did you guys enjoy our video today? Right, hope you enjoyed our restaurant video since we really wanted to show you this place as not many people can actually visit Korea these days due to the pandemic, right? So, that's why we made a video trip. Yes, for you guys. So, if you guys liked our video, please press like and subscribe. 구독해주시고 좋아요해주세요. And please hit the alarm button. 알람 설정도 부탁드립니다. We'll come back with better videos that deal with other aspects of Korea. Alright, thank you so much. Make choices your choice. Bye-bye. 안녕.
And this is an additional video for you. We stayed here until the night and we saw another beautiful scene like this. So we wanted you to enjoy the night view as well. Hope you have an opportunity to come here so you can feel Korean houses and eat tasty food. Bye-bye, we'll come back later with better videos that are related to Korea. Have a nice day!